Hi everyone! Welcome to my program 10 Minutes with Riban. My name is Riban and today we're going to be doing test 4, which is ratio and proportion. Do you know any of these terms? Ratio, proportion? Well, even if you don't, let's just start and zoom! So, test 4 is all about ratio and proportion. So, let's do question 1. Look at these shapes. Okay, there are 3 rhombuses and 2 rectangles. So put a tick if the statement is true and cross if it's false. So the ratio of rectangle to rhombuses is 3:2. No, because there are two rectangles and 3 rhombuses. It should be the other way. Then I'd say yes. So we must put a cross. Okay, let me just have that as a spare one. 60% of the shapes are rhombuses. Yes, because if we do 20 times 5 is 100. So 5 shapes equal 20%. Okay, we have 3 rhombuses. Times 3 by 20, you'll get 60. So 60% of the shapes are rhombuses. So that's our first tick. Okay, the ratio of rhombuses to rectangles equals 3:2. Yes, that is correct. Wait. So that must be our tick. So only the first one is wrong, but the rest are fine. So let's move on to question 2. Ava and Harry share 36 grapes into the ratio 4:5. How many grapes do they each have? Complete the sentences. So, if we were going to do this, we would have to do what is 36? Not what is 36, but when you add 4 and 5, you get 9, right? Well, when you get 9, there won't stay 9. It will be like that, but 36 is our total grape amount. And 36 divided by 9 is 4. Okay, so now we have 4 for each person. So then if we do it in the ratio 4:5, we must do 4 times 4 is what? 16. So that means Ava has 16 grapes. And Harry has, what's the remaining? You don't even need to find out how much the 5th one is. 36 take away 16 is 20. So Harry has 20 grapes. Let's move on to number 3. There are 50 pupils in the school play, okay? 16 of them are boys. Which percentage of the pupils are boys? So this is a proportion question. tick one of these. Either 16%, 8%, 32%, and 50% are your answers. Alright, so we know that with 50, how many times do you need to add 50 to get to 100? Twice, right? That means you double 50. And so if we double 50, we must double 16. 16 doubled is 32. That means that we have the fraction 32 over 100. And we can make that into a percentage, which is 32%. So our answer is 32%. Alright, question 4. Ming baked some biscuits. Okay, the picture shows 20% of the biscuits that she baked. How many biscuits did she bake altogether? Okay, so we know that in a fraction, 20% is 1/5. Yeah? When we have a fifth, we must find out 4 of the remaining fifths. So how do you do this? If we times 1 over 5 times 5, that'll give us a whole. And we need to know the whole. So we first do 20 times 5 equals 100. Okay. And that means 5, because he baked 5 of these, and which is 20% for what he baked, Ming. So we need to do 5 times 5. It's like fractions. So, what's 5 times 5? 25. So that means he baked 25 biscuits. Next page. Number 5. An adult's bus ticket costs £9.60. It costs twice as much as a child's bus ticket. How much does a child's bus ticket cost? Circle 1. We know that £9.60, when we divide it by 2, it'll give us £4.80. So that means the answer will be £4.80. Okay, number 6. Arlo and Lee have 25 sweets all together. Arlo has 9 more sweets than Lee. How many sweets does Lee have? Well, when we need to work this out, this is my method. The x, which is how much more someone has than the other person, take away 1, is the thing. And then when you're trying to find out with the x plus 8, which is for us, will be 17. 17 plus 8 is 25. And what did it say? Arlo and Lee have 25 sweets altogether. So let me write that down. Nine take away 1 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17, and so 17 plus 8 is 25. That's my formula of working it out. But if you have any other formulas, it's fine. Use that. But you will have to get the same answer, which is 8 sweets. That's how much Lee has. So, let's do number 7. Question 7. Write the missing number to complete the sentence. Grandma uses 2 eggs to make 12 cupcakes. Yes? She uses ... continue, eggs to make 18 cupcakes. Okay, before we even write a dot on this, we first need to work out how many cupcakes can 1 egg make. So if we divide 2 by 2 to get 1, we must divide 12 by 2 to get 6. So 1 egg can make 6 cupcakes. 6 times 3 is 18, so 1 times 3 is 3. So there's 3 eggs. Last question, number 8. A plane is 40 meters long and 8 meters wide. That's a real plane. Max says a miniature model of this plane could be 10 centimeters long and 20 centimeters wide. Well, he is definitely wrong, but they said explain why Max is not correct. Well, he's half correct. If we want to work this out, we must divide both numbers 40 meters and 8 meters by 4. So, 10 centimeters is 40 divided by 4. Good. We don't need to think about centimeters now. But 8 divided by 4 is 2, right? They put 20, silly them. Or not them, Max. Explain why Max is not correct. I already explained it. So, four sentences. Max is not correct. Wait, let me just stretch it out. Because you must divide 40 and 8 by 4, but 8 divided by 4 is 2, not 20. I probably made a mistake there. Sorry. Okay, stretch out. And full stop. Alright, let's review. Okay, so let's look. Number 1. Have we done the correct thing? Okay, that's crossed. 60 of the ships are, yeah, that's correct. The ratio of that is 3 to 2, correct. Eva and Harry share 36 grapes here. That means 4 each. 16, 20, yep. Number 3, let's see, 16 times 2, 32, 50 times 10. Ming bakes some biscuits, 20%, 20 times 5 is 100, so 5 times 5 is 25. Let's see. Yep. Let's see, number 5, 6, 7, and 8. Adults, yep. Divided by 2, 4.80. Okay. Then 9, take away 1 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 8 is 25. So that means Lee has 8 sweets. Okay, question 7. divided by 6. Oh, no. It'll be 6, so then 6 times 3 is 18. Okay. Last question, let's check. And 40 by 8, yeah, but 4 is 2, not 20. Okay. I hope you have enjoyed this program and learned at least something from it. And learn every day a minimum of 10 minutes. Just 10. And so I'll see you all next weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Bye guys!